Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest, and in today's video we're going to show you our wireless salinity sensor. So it comes in two parts. So you've got the actual adapter just here, which is built-in rechargeable battery, Bluetooth and USB. The whole of our wireless range have all got built-in rechargeable batteries and USB, and obviously are all Bluetooth as well. We've separated the electrode, mainly so it's easier to put into solutions. So it really is as simple as this. So we'll plug it in here. So it's a moulded on the end there, so it can only go in one way. Now, all our wireless sensors, button on the bottom to turn it on, it's now broadcasting Bluetooth. Now, it's got a 6-digit number on the front. So if your students have more than one of these in the classroom, they know which one is which just by looking at that Bluetooth number on the front, because it is unique to the sensor they're using. All right. So we're going to do simple point samples here. So I'm going to use Snapshot on the EasySense2 software. So I don't know if you can see it on the film clearly, but we've got seawater, stream and pond. So we're just going to do it in PPT, which is parts per thousand, just to show the difference between the three. So a nice, easy experiment. So we're broadcasting Bluetooth, as I said, on the Salinity sensor there. So I'll go to the EasySense2 software. It now comes up with our Salinity sensor, and it will only pick up Data Harvest Bluetooth devices. So it won't pick up watches, phones and all those sorts of things as well. So we can now go and click connect. Again, it takes a couple of seconds, maybe up to about 5 seconds to connect. It depends how new your device is, to be totally honest. So you can see we can have salinity there. Now I'm working on 0 to 50 parts per thousand, which is fine. We've got, you can have TDS, total dissolved solutions, and you can also show the temperature if you want. We're only going to have the PPT for this quick experiment today. So we're going to go and click on snapshot. So you could log against time. I just want to do point data, clean it in between with the distilled water. So I don't need to have it against time today. I want to take a reading when I'm ready to take the reading, and then I can also type in the comment box there as well. So we go and click on snapshot. Now it's defaulted on the top left here to line data. I actually want to have it as just bar data, just so it's nice and obvious that you can see that. So we'll click on start. So it's not going to take any readings until I click take sample at the top. So this is why Snapshot is so good when you only want to take a few points of data. So we'll go into the seawater first. Now seawater, 35, 40, maybe low 40s, and you can see it's jumped up to 0.44, which is pretty much a little bit high, but not too bad. So we can take a sample on here. I can now click under the comment and I can type in seawater. We can now change this. We will just clean this off. Here we go. And we're now going into the stream. There you go. Hasn't hardly moved at all, which is correct. So we can now take a sample on here, so we can have the stream water. Whoops, when I learned to spell. There we go. So we have stream water there as well. And the last one now we're going to go to, I do believe it's pond on the right there. Can't see it from behind, but I think it is. There we go. So just clean that off just here. We now have that on the stream there as well, so we can see that on there. So we can now go and take sample on here, and we can now see we have got the pond on here as well. Pond water on here as well. So as simple as that. Now you can't see the bottom ones down there, but if we go to salinity range on the left here, we can now say min max, and you can then see we've got 0.44 and we've got the two low ones there, which is the stream and the pond. Now, if you're in the Dead Sea, I do believe it's about 280 parts per thousand, so a lot higher. So you can see people floating easily there, but general seas around the world is about 0.35, 0.4, maybe just over, which is what we've had here from our seawater here in England as well. So ever so easy to do. We can click stop. Please, if you want to see, I'm not going to show you lots of features on the software here. There's separate videos of all how the EasySense2 software works. The main part you're probably going to use is tools. So you can see all the different options down there to use the tools. But if you go to our website, there's lots of worksheets on the product page of the Salinity sensor. So you can see other ones. There's about 3 or 4 common experiments for this. One of the ones I've just done here, you've got quality of water studies, changes in salinity along a water course, and you can have salinity in soil, but you do have to dissolve the salt out first and then put it into distilled water to do that one. But that's a nice experiment to do as well. But if you go to our YouTube channel, there's lots more videos like this on all our wireless sensors. As I said, videos on the EasySense2 software as well. and actually about the sensor as well as the experiment. So there's 3 main formats within the YouTube channel. Please allow notifications on the YouTube channel, so when we add more videos, you will be informed. Our website is data-harvest.co.uk, and if you have any questions or you want some more information, please email us here, which is sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.